Welcome to Java in Your Words tutorial. This is episode number 6, Increment and Decrement Operators in Java. One of the most common operation with numeric type variables is adding and subtracting one from value of that variable. For that purpose, Java provides the one type of operator, that is increment and decrement operator. You can make use of this increment and decrement operator for performing the operation which is specified earlier, that is adding and subtracting one from value of that particular variable. But you cannot apply this operation directly on that numbers. For example, 10 plus plus or minus 3. You cannot do like that. Instead of that, you can directly apply this on a variables. So there are again two forms of increment and decrement operators. First form is postfix form, where the value of that variable is incremented after use of that variable in the expression. Next form is prefix form, where the value of that variable is incremented first, then that variable used in the expression. So you cannot notice the difference between these two forms of increment and decrement operators until and unless you can make use of that variables in different expressions. So to understand this, let us see the one example. On the right side, one class is written. The name of that class is sample. Then main function is written. Then in that main function we have initialized two variables, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. Then we have used that x in first variable, that is integer p is equal to 4 into plus plus x semicolon. Here what will happen? Value of that x is incremented first. It means it becomes now 6. Then 6 is multiplied with 4. Then you will get 24. Then next expression, integer q is equal to 3 into y plus plus. So here what will happen? 3 is multiplied by the value of y before increment. So what is the original value of that y is 6. That 6 is multiplied to 3, that is 6 into 3, 18. Then value of that y is incremented. Then you will get the output like first one is 24 and last one is 18. So this is the way you can make use of increment and decrement operators in Java in expressions. So we will see rest of the operators in the subsequent episode. Thank you.